Hi everyone, my name is Tom and I'm the creator of The Voting Game. The Voting Game is an adult party game starring you and your friends. In the game, friends vote anonymously on which player best fits the current question card. Questions like, whose Google search history would you like to see the most? Or, who would try to talk down the price of Girl Scout cookies? First, each player is assigned a number. Each player then gets a voting card that represents the other players of the game. During each round, a question card is flipped over. Players then vote anonymously for the player that is described by the question card. The player who asked the question collects the cards and reveals the group's vote.